Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the TikTok app on your iPhone for the very first time. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do is locate the App Store app on your iPhone. Open it up. Once the App Store is open, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID account. If you're not signed in, log into an existing account or create a new one for free. You'll need an Apple ID and password to download any apps on your iPhone. After ensuring you're signed in, go to the Search tab by tapping the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type TikTok and press Search. The first result you see should be the TikTok app. Tap on the Get button next to it. Once you do, you may be prompted to install the app. Depending on your device's settings, you'll need to use verified. The app will begin downloading. You'll see a progress circle indicating that the download is in progress. If you're on Wi-Fi, the download will be quicker, but you can also use cellular data if you have a stable internet connection. After the download is complete, exit the App Store and locate the TikTok app on your home screen. If you don't see it there, swipe all the way to the app library at the end of your pages. Look under the Recently Added section, and you'll find TikTok. To add TikTok to your home screen, press and hold the app icon, then select Add to Home Screen. Now TikTok is installed and ready to use. Open the app, create an account, or log in and start exploring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.